Okay, welcome to this video. Very quickly, let's look at differentiation, and this is a specific question that I have received from one of our students. So let's look at it together. The question says, find the derivative of cubic root of it is 3x cubed plus 1. 3x cubed plus 1 with respect to x. With respect to x. Okay, so that's the question that you have. Very quickly, let's dive into it. Solution. For the purpose of understanding, I am going to use two methods. I can do it with three methods, but first let's do two methods. So let y, we can call y. Let y be equal to the function that we are given, and it is cubic root of 3x cubed plus 1. That's the equation. If I remove the square root for easier working, I will have y to be equal to 3x cubic plus 1. So all of these raised to 1 over 3. This cubic becomes 1 over 3 in terms of the cubic root. So the first method 1, so method 1, I'm going to use law of indices. We know that from indices, we know that cubic root of a is equal to a power 1 over 3. Right. So if I use the formula y is equals to a x to the power of n and differentiate this implies that dy dx will be equal to n of ax. N of ax, this will be raised to power n minus 1. So if I apply this formula, I will simply have dy dx to be equal to, bring the power down, n. So our n in this case is 1 over 3. So this is 1 over 3. And then we have what we have in the bracket, 3x cubic plus 1. So that is 3x cubic plus 1. And then n minus 1. So it is 1 over 3 minus 1. Multiply this by x. In this case, it is the derivative of the function. What is inside is 3x cubic. So if I differentiate that, I can bring the power down. 3 multiplied by 3, then x, then we have 3 minus 1. Yeah, so that is correct. simply differentiate what is inside the bracket. So So what we are going to have becomes 1 over 3x cubic plus 1. 1 over 3 minus 1 gives us negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. Multiply this by 3 times 3, 9. X, 3 minus 1, so it is x squared. So I can do simplification, and this can give me 1 over 3. Multiply this by 9x squared, and 3 can go into 9 to give me 3, right? So multiply all this by 1, all of what we have in the bracket, which is 3x cubic plus 1, raised to, since it is in the denominator, it will not be negative 2 over 3, so this becomes 2 over 3 positive. So dy dx will simply be 3x squared all over 3x cubic plus 1 raised to 2 over 3. Or you can leave your answer as 3x squared. We can have the cube root as given earlier on, 3x cubic plus 1, all this raised to 2. So this is the first method. Now the second method is by chain rule. So we can use chain rule. If I use chain rule, you know the formula of chain rule, dy dx is equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. So this is chain rule. So I can let u to be equal to what is inside the bracket, which is 3x cubic plus 1. Then if this is u, what is y? Y is going to be u over 3, 1 over 3, the root, right? So if I do du by dx, it will be differentiating this u, it is 9x squared plus 0, because when you differentiate 1 you get 0. So this gives us 9x squared. So vy dx, dy du is state. Dy du is 1 over 3. So this gives us 1 over 3 u to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1. So this will give you 1 over 3 u. What 1 over 3 minus 1 gives us negative 3. So this is equivalent to 1 over 3u 2 over 3. So vu by dx, so dy dx in this case gives us 3x squared all over u 2 over 3. And this is equivalent to 3x squared all over our u is, we say let u be 3x cubic. So this is 3x cubic plus 1 raised to 2 over 3, which is equivalent to what we have here. And this can as well be written as 3x squared all over can have my cube root of 3x cubic plus 1 raised to 2. So this is equivalent to this, and this is how you can solve differentiation.